It's a big day for roller coaster fans. Cedar Point has reached an important construction milestone on its new Siren's Curse roller coaster. That's the new tilt coaster that's coming to the Ohio theme park this year. Construction crews have placed that tilt track on the roller coaster, which is a Vekoma model. It's going to be the first of its kind in North America if it can open before a competing coaster in Texas this year. Anyway, big work hauling that big piece of steel up 160 feet up in the air, where it will not come to rest as part of the track. It will be moving, plunging riders down 160 feet onto this unique for North America coaster design. You can see in action right here. Again, this is Siren's Curse, opening this year at Cedar Point in Sandusky, Ohio. For more news, stay tuned to themeparkinsider.com.